sometimes as men, we don't want to share with our wives stuff because you're the one that's hurting. And so we need that outsource agency, as they say, or whatever.
Someone who's not emotionally invested.
No, and that you can be honest and without judgment. So that's number one. Accountability, I would say you need an accountability partner or someone that you can be open and honest to. Number two, what does accountability look like? Say what you're going to do and hold yourself accountable to it. Because let's be honest, before the betrayal came out, you were saying things and not sticking to it. You were doing things and not being a man of your word. That then pairs with integrity.
No wonder you lost trust in yourself, and no wonder she lost trust in you.
Because you didn't stick to your word.